Alright, here's the bird. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Oh, is she a little bitty? Is she a little bitty Mexican lady? Big old house, big old 3-tab. What's that? Yeah, she's hot. Yeah, that's what Jason thought. John, I'm holding the thing in my freaking hand. Look at this. Yeah, and it's not freaking out or nothing. Oh no! I don't have a bird cage. Yeah, I don't know if it can't fly or what its deal is. Oh, it just flew straight through the door. Yeah. Come here, buddy. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. It just sits in my hand. I mean, if it's a baby bird, I mean, it's good size, dude. If it's a baby, it's going to be a huge bird. Alright, see ya. Watch out for the wind. Hey, bird. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Where you going? Oh, shit. That's the camera. This bird is totally out of whack. It's totally fucked up. I think it thinks I'm its mom. Wants to breastfeed. You want to breastfeed? How whacked out is this? Look at these birds. They don't want to be my friend. This guy is down. Looks like I take him in the office. How whacked out is this? What do birds eat? Worms? Bird food? I'm gonna go buy a bird cage. I'm gonna train him like one of them dolphins. Wow. Yeah, whacked out. How weird is this? I'm glad I got this camera because no one would ever believe this shit. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. I wonder if it's got that bird flu shit. Maybe that's what's wrong with him. I don't know what to do with him. I don't want to let him go because, I mean, obviously, I'm the only friend he's got. Strange. Strange days we live in. Just think if I was on drugs, this would be even funner. Or if I drank. If I drank, I probably would have killed him by now. Look at this guy. He don't look like a baby bird. He's got big feet. Look how big his feet are. He flies. Oh! There's the fucking door! Oh, dude, that's the door! Alright, come here. Come here. Come here. Maybe he's got Down syndrome. I mean, something's wrong with him. I feel like I should keep him. He's probably stupid from fucking flying into the door all day. How weird is that? I wonder where he wants to live. He don't seem very coordinated. Like he's a little stupid. It's the wind! Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, whoa. What's the frick? Maybe he can't fly. Very well. Step up. Come on. Come on. I need a bird cage. Let's sit here. Uncle Randy's gonna have a cigarette. Maybe you should take a nap. Take a nap. It's time to leave. Hey, buddy.